In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether you're looking to expand your service or streamline your expenses, adjusting your subscription plan is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly and you make the best decision for your needs. First, let's get started by navigating your way to the right part of QuickBooks. When you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice the gear icon. Consider this your hub for settings and customizations. By clicking on this gear icon, you open up a menu that provides you with different options related to your account and its management. Once inside the settings menu, the next step is to find and select the option labeled Subscriptions and Billing. This section is crucial because it provides an overview of your current plan and billing details. You'll be able to see exactly which plan you are currently on, which is a good reference point if you're uncertain about what services you're being billed for. After you've accessed the subscriptions page, you'll notice two key hyperlinks prominently displayed. One says Upgrade your plan, while the other allows you to downgrade your plan. These links are your gateways to adjusting your subscription. Depending on your current situation, whether you need additional features and benefits or are looking to reduce your cost, select the option that meets your needs. If you're considering an upgrade, clicking on this option will unveil the additional plan choices accompanied by detailed insights into what each tier offers. It's helpful to take a moment to review these options to understand what added features come with higher plans. On the other hand, if you find certain features are unnecessary for your current business requirements, opting for a downgrade might just be the cost-effective choice you're aiming for. Again, be sure to examine what changes you'd be making to avoid any surprises in service capabilities. And there you have it, folks. It's as simple as choosing between the two options and finalizing your selection. QuickBooks will handle the rest, adjusting your subscription accordingly, and you'll soon receive a confirmation of the change to your plan. Thanks to QuickBooks' intuitive design, switching between plans is hassle-free and allows you to fully take control of your business's financial management. Stay tuned for more tips and helpful walkthroughs of using your digital tools effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more QuickBooks insights and tutorials.